Over the past couple of months, I've noticed this yellow cord coming out of the awning edge. So today I decided I'm going to fix it. This yellow cord goes down this side, the left-hand side of the awning, if you're facing the awning. It's meant to take up the slack on this edge, because on the other end, on the right-hand side of the awning, there is a wire that feeds the motors for the awning and the lights of the awning. So in order to take up the slack on this side, they put in this yellow cord. And over time, the yellow cord was coming out of the end. I'll have to try to find some footage where I have that visible. But what I was able to do is up here at the end, where there was a larger opening where the end of the cord was. So I just used some needle nose pliers to grab the end and pull it up so that it was even with the end of the awning. And then I just fed the other end into this same gap going up the side here. And then I used super glue, just a dab of super glue on each of these little cracks that the awning is developing. I mean, it's been exposed to the elements for almost 2.5 years now, so it is starting to show its wear. But these cracks on the edge here, I'm just putting a little dab of super glue, and that hopefully will hold this cord in place now so that it doesn't come out anymore. I'll let you know in the future if it worked. So it's been a couple of months now, and that cord that I repaired has not reappeared, so I think I'll claim this as a good fix. If your cord is coming out of the awning, just find a break, or make a break in the edge of the awning so that you can pull the cord back up to the top, and then just hit it with a dab of super glue at the end, and then probably where you made the slice, and that ought to keep the cord from riding out. And after 2 months, everything's working fine. The awning is fine. It is still showing its age. It's doing its job, keeping the sun off of us a lot of the time. So we'll call that a fix.
I'm just gonna drive.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, click that little bell, and hit that thumbs up.